So with satellite TV, they say you need a hole roughly the size of a baseball, softball, to poke through and you get signal. So there's a lot. So we are at Lakeside State Park in Waterport, New York. We have Starlink hooked up for the second time now, second weekend in a row. Last weekend we're at Shenango Valley State Park. It did not work there. And it is so far not working here after about 37 minutes of trying to find something. It keeps blinking in and off, service online, offline, online, offline. But I'm still offline. Every once in a while it'll say that the router's unplugged. Oh, it just blinked online. I don't know if we got that. Searching. Offline. That's how long it lasts. Where we camp, we want trees. There's quite a few, but there's quite a few holes as well.
There's the satellite dish. It's pointing straight up.
Yeah.
There's a hole right there. It could be using just fine.
Right. Holes. So with satellite TV, they say you need a hole roughly the size of a baseball, softball, to poke through and you get signal. So there's a lot of those. I mean, the way that the satellite's pointed, I kind of pointed it up towards a hole that way. But we're still not getting anything. So we're sending it back. We paid our first month of service, which we owe, but we get a full return on the equipment, which is a lot of money. It's $700, and we're not keeping this if it's not going to work where we want to be. So it's a $135 mistake, but thankfully Starlink will reimburse us. Save the box at home just in case.
And just so you know, we are still at camp and I am still working. You can see that I've got my computer set up here on the picnic table, and my personal hotspot that is by T-Mobile has been working great both last weekend and this weekend in this totally treed campsites.
It's very upsetting because we both really wanted this to work, mostly for Amy's work. You know, she doesn't need to be camping when she's working, but she can be camping while she's working. So why not have good internet? When we had it at the house earlier in the video, we had awesome service. So I'm just very disappointed. We thought we tried, it doesn't work. What are you gonna do? So for those of you who do camp out in the open, like if you're going to a racetrack, or there's a lot of parks around here that are just like wide open with maybe a tree here and there, this is gonna work really, really well. Like I said, at our house, we're getting at least 95 megabits per second download speed, and I want to say it was like 10 to 15 up. So I mean, for satellite internet, it's really good. So if you're in one of those situations and you don't usually camp where it's wooded, this is for you. I do have that nice thing to say about it. If you found this video helpful, definitely give us that thumbs up. Hit the bell, subscribe, make sure you follow us so you get all of our new videos that come out. We really do appreciate you watching. And as always, happy camping.